Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can get Google modded camera in your Pixel Experience ROM. And right now I'm using Lenovo Z2 Plus in this video, and I'm using Pixel Experience ROM in this phone. So let's begin. By the way, those who don't know what is Google modded camera, Google modded camera is basically Pixel 2's modded camera in your smartphone. You can put it in your smartphone and it gives amazing capability to your camera. Whether your camera is average or below average, you will get some amazing result by installing this camera. As you see, these are some of the samples. You can take HDR plus photos as well as some of the portrait photos even on the front facing camera. These are some of the front facing camera as well as low light photographies. I have took these in the low light situation. As you see, the photos are very good. So let's begin. Let's see how you can get this camera in your smartphone when you use Pixel Experience ROM. So let's begin. So guys, when you install Pixel Experience ROM in your smartphone, you will already get the Google camera, but in this camera you will not get the portrait and HDR capabilities. So you will have to delete this old Google camera. So for that you need root as well as a root browser. By the way, I have already made a review of this Pixel Experience ROM as well as I have already made a video that how you can root your smartphone. So I will leave a link in the I button. You can check that out if you haven't seen that video that how you can root your smartphone. Now go to your root browser, go to your root directory. Now find a system folder, go to that folder. Then find app folder. As you see here in the app, go ahead and find a folder called Google Camera as you see, and just delete this folder. Once you delete this folder, just go ahead and restart your device. Once the device is restarted, as you see, the Google camera is being deleted from your smartphone. There is no camera app now. Now just go to your folder where you have downloaded the APK. By the way, you have to download a APK. I will leave a link in the description box below where you can download a new Google Cameras APK. Just go ahead and download that modded camera APK and install that in your smartphone. As you see, it's very easy. It's just a APK. Just install that. And now just set this Google camera APK. It's very easy. Just go to settings and in the model select Pixel 2, and in config camera HDR plus select Pixel 2017 ZSL HDR plus, the last option, yes, and go to advanced settings, turn on the HDR plus parameters, put it on default, use ZSL, put it on, and the final quality JPG put it on 100%. And if you want, then turn on the compressed DNG option, but it's totally optional. You can leave that. Now it's done. Just press the home button and remove this app from your RAM. Now just open it again and you will see that the portrait mode and HDR plus is working superbly fine. And these are some of the samples which I have took and which I have already shown you. By the way, I am really impressed by the quality of this camera. Just go ahead and try this camera and let me know how you can feel about this camera in the comment section below. By the way guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel for more awesome content like this one. That's all in this video guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, and don't forget to hit that like button and please share this video if you want. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.